Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to present to you multiple mistakes that you should avoid if you want to invest with eToro. Now I've been investing for a few years right now and I'm really excited to make this video. You can see it on me also that I'm like pumped up to make this. I also prepared some notes for you, so I believe that this video will be helpful. Right now I got invested about 20 to 25k, another 6k in crypto, and things are doing really well right now. We will see what the future will bring. But without further ado, let's start. So the first thing that I prepared for you is called a research investing. Now let's say that I'm on the eToro and I'm gonna, I like Tesla and I'm going to buy it. Now the question is, why do you like Tesla? Why do you like the stock? Do your own research. This is sometimes that people are not doing, that they're like, oh my god, Tesla, I need to buy it, without actually analyzing things. Also, I would definitely recommend investing into companies. I'm a long-term investor. I'm not day trader. I'm not going to talk about day trading in this video. What you should definitely focus on is, let me just move the camera now. You should focus on stocks that you actually like. So let's say that you like, I don't know, vegan meat because you're a vegetarian. Find those companies that are doing that, research them if you like them, and invest in them long-term if you believe what they do. And I always made money on the companies that I actually believe in, because I did the research, I like the CEO, I like the revenue, etc. And it worked really well. So that's what I do. That's what I recommend, because it directly connects with the second point, and that's trends, bad advice from social media. You can see it on Reddit. Top 5 penny stocks that you should invest to. Then also, oh, these stocks are on fire, you should definitely buy them. And why? I mean, do you know how many times I invested into stocks that someone recommended on Reddit and I lose like $100, $200 on it? And I'm like, I'm not going to do it anymore. So this is something that be really careful, because you don't know if the person who is actually writing the review of the stock isn't paid, or intern or something of the company, pumping up the stocks on Reddit or YouTube. You never know that. That same with the crypto. What was happening many times, that altcoins which are literally dead was pumped up by bots on subreddits. Because oh my god, you should definitely buy this. No. So do your own research and really be careful about the bad advice from social media, and question everything that you hear and see. Also question me. You should definitely question me. You should question everything. But don't over criticize things, but question them. Why is he saying that, right? That's the question. Now, the third thing that I really burned out myself is a panic selling. Panic selling is that plenty of people, when they see that something is dropping, they're going to sell it. I lost 6-7k in possible revenue on it because I panic sell. And if I would just close the platform and I would leave it there for 2 months, I will be fine. So panic selling is something that you want to really, really be careful about, and don't do it, right? If you invest long term, imagine it's 5-10 years, don't watch the stocks all the time, leave it be, move on with your life, focus on business employees so you're gonna earn a good living, and just pump the market up all the time, right? So that's what I do. The fourth mistake, that people are actually investing money that are not that they will need. Always invest money that you gonna not need immediately in 2-3 years. That's what I do. I have a big emergency fund and I don't actually need more money right now. So I invest everything else. And that's what I do. That's what also a difference if you're saving for the house. I don't know, with the house prices right now in the US and in some European countries, saving up for the house, it's kind of difficult, but it is what it is. But still, it depends what are your goals. And the next thing is that investing to goals. What are your investment goals? What do you want to actually achieve with your investment? Do you want to get rich quick? Do you want to just invest so inflation doesn't eat your money? What's the reason, right? That's the question that you should ask yourself. Why are you doing that? Why do you want to invest? I invest for the financial independence, and I really like ETFs. So that's what I do. Now, the next thing is that you should definitely not invest in crypto, and let me explain you why. When you would come here and you would see that, okay, crypto, eToro, fees, you see that I got the highest fees on the market. So if you want to actually invest to crypto, use Binance, use Coinbase, Coinbase Pro, then also use different ones like, what are those names? Gemini, Crypto.com. Use those. I wouldn't possibly use eToro for this particular reason, that those fees are extremely high. Binance gives you 0.10. Ethereum here is 1.9. So you see that those fees are high. So I wouldn't actually recommend, that's a mistake in my opinion, buying crypto on eToro. I understand that's like, oh my god, okay, I'm buying stocks there and I'm going to buy also eToro. Stocks are okay, ETFs are okay, but buying crypto, it's not good. So I wouldn't actually recommend doing it. So that's another thing. Now the last thing that I prepared for you is that delaying investing altogether. This is something that plenty of people are doing, that they have the money they don't need, and they are holding the money all the time. I don't know how much, 10, 15, 20, 30, 40K, whatever. They are saving up all the time. And don't do it. Like literally, just go and invest. Read some guidance, make your own research, buy 2 ETFs that you are going to be secure, and understand what you want to actually achieve. Like I focus on how I can maximize my business revenue to the point that I will earn like 20, 25K a month. And then like I invest money that I want. But if I would be making, let's say 1K a month, and I want to use that money, and I'm not going to have like, I don't know, paid for my rent, it's not good. But again, let's say you're gonna have like good money with the investing, don't delay it. Don't delay it, because you can't imagine what 2-3 years will bring. And don't try to like even time the market that, okay, I'm going to time it out. It's not good. So that's another thing. So let's to summarize this video. These were my 7 tips. Research what you want to invest to. Don't listen to the advice from social media. I've been really careful who is writing those researches and what you should invest to, etc. Be careful. Panic selling. That's another thing that you should be careful about too. That when you see that something is dropping, leave it be. If you don't sell the stock, you don't lose anything. When you don't need the money, just leave it there. Then invest money that are not needed primarily. So don't invest like when you need money for your rent. It's all right. Don't invest into crypto on eToro. Other than that, it's completely up to you to what you're gonna invest. And then investing goals. Figure it out why you want to invest into something, and then don't delay investing altogether. So these are the mistakes that people are doing when they're investing into eToro. If you're gonna have any questions, ask me down in comments. I will really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. Investing is a magic, I would say. So thank you very much, guys, and have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.